Everyone, welcome back to Miss Nina's Kitchen. I hope everyone is blessed today. I am blessed. So I'm coming to you this evening, and I will say my scripture will come from Psalms 9:99. The Lord also will be a refuge for the oppressed. Psalm 99, and I'm doing John 4:14. The water that I shall give him shall be in him a well of singing up into everlasting life. The well of water shall bring up into the everlasting life. John 4:14. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm getting ready to make a homemade chili. I'm not putting any beans in it. This is just going to be single chili. And I'm making it, I have about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And I'm frying it already. I'm trying to get it untharred and get it stamped. And
yes, cumin, garlic powder, chili powder, onions, cayenne pepper.
I'm going to have to pull some of the liquid off of it eventually because it's a little fat. So I'm trying to get it browned out. Just a minute. It should be brown in about another 5 or 10 minutes. And then I'll pull the grease off. The liquid off, rather. So. And a half of ground meat. Pouring the excess liquid and grease or water, whatever this is on it. And then I'll put it back into the pan just a minute. So. Okay. So now, let me see. Fill it. Okay. Now I have drained it and put it back into the skillet. I'm going to get this out of the way so I can finish it out here. Okay, I'm going to be putting my ingredients in it. I'm doing paprika. Okay.
That's the onion and peppers y'all should just put in.
Okay, now that was the onions and bell peppers just in there. So now I'll be putting in, I'll have a can of diced tomatoes. Now, tomato sauce for it. I'm just going to put just a little bit of tomato sauce in. Half of the can. That's a little bit more, okay. right, I'm getting it all blended in together here, so. Now I'll be able to put in my ingredients. I'll start with the paprika. That's about a tablespoonful. And cayenne pepper. It's about a fourth of a spoon. And this is my onion powder. This is a tablespoon. There may be a 2. Then I'll come off the spoon. Okay. And this is the garlic powder. That's another tablespoonful of garlic powder. And this the cumin. So I get a tablespoon of cumin also. Okay. It's kind of warm this evening, y'all. I'm beginning to sweat. So, a little bit, so. And then a chili powder. I'll put a tablespoon of chili powder in also. Okay. I'm going to put about this is 16 ounces of water. So I'm then putting half of it in there will be 8 ounces. And I'm going to put chicken broth. I don't know how much is in here.
Yeah, it's supposed to be beef broth. Beef broth or vegetable broth, but we didn't have any. So she's just going to add a little chicken broth.
So this should be about a half cup chicken broth.
We had everything this month. I'm gonna let it simmer down for a little bit, then she'll be back.
All right, y'all. This is the final touches for the homemade chili. I didn't have beans in it, but anyway, I'll do a little taste test for you guys. So I know it's very good. So like I said, there was a few things that we didn't have. We had to make up with something else.
Yeah, it's been a hard month for us grocery, y'all.
It's very hot right now, so just give me a minute. Very good. It's very good, you guys. So I hope you all will try it. And this is very good for a cold day, or a cold night, or just for anything, anytime you want it. So thank you so much. Watch for the video. And you can try, because it's something very easy that you can do for yourself, for your family. Thank you so much. With all my love, from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye. This is a nice hot bowl of chili that you can, homemade chili that you can make yourself real quick.
Y'all, please press the like button. We really appreciate it. Really, really, really help Miss Lena's channel. Thank you very much. As I always say, it's free to push the like button. And also season the chili how you like it. Thank you.
Bye-bye.